Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides and we have 7ds. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. Because we don't have number 7, so we need to divide both sides by number 7. So this one we change by u. ds we change by this one. This one we have cube root, and that is about 1/3, and that is about u to the power of 5/3. And now we can apply the formula in here. So this one in here we have u to the power of 5/3 plus 1 over 5/3 plus 1, and then I will put about c. So this one we have 8/3. This one we have 8/3. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.